Hi! If your renders feel a bit boring, even after putting in a lot of effort, I have a pro tip for you. It's not the textures or models that are the issue, it's actually the lighting. Getting the lighting right can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your renders. To improve your lighting and get a natural look, you can use Gobos. Gobos are stencils or patterns placed in front of a light source to control and shape the light, typically used in photography, film, and 3D rendering. They can create shadows, texture, or light patterns in the scene, adding depth and visual interest. Gobos can be made from materials like metal, glass, or even fabric, and they help to mimic real-world effects, such as the way light filters through trees or the pattern of a window shadow. To achieve this lighting effect, we can either use add-ons or create it ourselves by utilizing a simple texture or video. Some add-ons and textures are linked in the description, so you can easily follow along. To use this add-on, simply add it to your asset library, and then you can drag and drop the effects into your viewport. The manual method isn't too complicated. You just need to connect a few nodes. Let's take a look at how it's done. Add a spotlight to the viewport, open the shader editor, and check the Use Nodes box. You should now see two nodes. To add a Gobo, we can use a black and white texture. We use a black and white image because we need to generate a mask from it. Black is transparent and white is opaque. This way, the light emitted by the spotlight will only pass through the white areas of the mask. Now drag and drop your texture into the shader editor and connect the image to the color input. Next, switch the render engine to cycles and adjust the size of the light. Once you've set up the image, you can actually use a video file instead of an image to create animated Gobos. If you found this tip helpful, I'd really appreciate your support. It motivates me to create more content. Thank you.